with both my hands. He's somewhere far away again when his eyes are closed. And when he wakes up, nothing I could do but hold my tongue and somehow try to breathe. 'Cause I know that he misses her, I know that he wishes her body was next to him instead of me. Why'd I hear him talking in his sleep? Why'd I hear him talking in his sleep? My eyes are turning red, staring at the sea.